So in this video, you'll learn how to set a pin on your Huawei Band 10. So the first step when it comes to adding this layer of security is to simply navigate to settings. So go to the App Store, find settings and tap on it. Once you're in the settings menu, you want to scroll and look for the option pin, then select it. From here, choose set pin and then enter in the new pin that you're going to be using. It has to be at least 5 digits, like that, and then you'll be prompted to enter it in again to confirm that that is the pin that you've chosen. Once you've done that, it will tell you pin set. Now whenever your watch goes off or into sleep mode, if you ever want to access any of the features that are currently on it, you'll be prompted to enter in the pin first before you can do anything. So you'll just enter in the pin and then you can now start using your Huawei Band 10 as usual. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.